As a result of groundbreaking collaboration between the Google DeepMind team and a Chinese team from Stanford University, the release of the new humanoid robot Mobile Aloha has taken the internet by storm. Introduced on January 3rd, Mobile Aloha, a versatile robot capable of cooking and performing household chores, captivated the global audience, sparking discussions about the impending industrial era for humanoid robots. Weighing just 75 kilograms and standing 1.5 meters tall, Mobile Aloha demonstrated its prowess in executing various tasks with swift and smooth movements. The robot successfully performed actions such as frying shrimp, cleaning tables, washing dishes, and arranging furniture in a video that went viral. One of the most impressive aspects of Mobile Aloha is its accessibility. The Mobile Aloha is equipped with a remote control system, allowing users to simultaneously operate the robot and its two arms. This feature enables users to remotely control the robot for tasks such as doing laundry, automatic recharging, vacuuming, watering plants, loading and unloading dishwashers, and even using a coffee machine. With further training and hardware and software updates, the team anticipates that Mobile Aloha will gain more autonomous functions in the future. Here is perhaps the most unusual robot in today's video, WALL-E from Studio Cricket. This fascinating project is based on the use of an Arduino microcontroller. Initially, this robot was a toy model of WALL-E, the famous character from the Pixar animated film, which was soon modified and turned into a true marvel of engineering. At this stage, the robot has already been taught to move its head, and WALL-E is controlled by users directly from a computer. The creators of the project plan to expand its capabilities by adding arm rotation, voice control, and the ability to move. This makes the project more complex and interesting for robotics enthusiasts. Additionally, the robot can be an excellent tool for learning programming and the basics of robotics, as the project requires knowledge of working with microcontrollers and writing code. A group of researchers from the Munich Institute of Robotics and Machine Intelligence has introduced a humanoid robot named Garmi, which will take on the functions of a nurse in nursing homes. It can also be used in regular households. The robot can open bottles and serve food. The white humanoid Garmi doesn't look much different from a typical robot. It stands on a wheeled platform and is equipped with a black screen instead of a face, with two blue circles acting as eyes. Since the number of people needing care is rapidly increasing, and by 2050 Germany is projected to have a shortage of 670,000 caregivers, researchers are developing machines that can take over some of the tasks performed by nurses, caregivers, and doctors. Garmi is currently undergoing beta testing, but the developers are confident that the robot will become widely used and in high demand in the near future. The mobile car lift is essential equipment in the automotive industry, especially in Asia, where it has gained widespread popularity due to its efficiency and versatility. This hydraulic lift system has revolutionized car maintenance by offering a safe and convenient solution for various types of servicing. One of the standout features of the mobile car lift is its mobility. Unlike traditional fixed lifts, this system is designed to move, allowing mechanics to easily reposition it around the workshop as needed. This enhances workflow efficiency by eliminating the need to constantly maneuver vehicles around a stationary lift. Moreover, the mobile car lift boasts impressive lifting capabilities. Its powerful hydraulic system effortlessly lifts vehicles of various sizes and weights, including sedans, light trucks, and SUVs. This versatility makes it a valuable asset for automotive repair shops that service a wide range of vehicles. One of the recognized leaders in the global automotive industry, the Japanese automaker Toyota, has created an amazing police car designed for patrolling Chubu International Airport. Its design alone evokes associations with Hollywood sci-fi blockbusters. The Toyota i-Reel is made from lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic and is designed for a single person. The vehicle features joystick controls mounted on the armrests instead of a steering wheel. This three-wheeled personal transport vehicle can shorten its wheelbase for maneuvering among pedestrians. When switching to high-speed mode, the wheelbase automatically extends, providing a lower center of gravity and a top speed of 30 km per hour. Both the developers of the new model and the customers are confident that the Toyota i-Real will ensure a higher level of airport security while giving it a unique futuristic appearance. In recent months, we have seen numerous videos showcasing the capabilities of modern humanoid robots and robotic machines. For example, the American Humanoid Magic bot has proven to be a master at toasting marshmallows. The Chinese Uni-Tree G1 has demonstrated its prowess as a skilled chef, and the Astrobot S1, also from China, has handled all household tasks with ease. However, all these videos were recorded in special laboratories where everything is meticulously planned. The Chinese company Robot-Era decided to astonish everyone by showing how their new humanoid robot walks along a major architectural monument. This is XBot S, yet another humanoid robot from China. This is the first robot in the world to run along the Great Wall of China. XBot S demonstrates its ability to move steadily along the famous wall, adeptly handling the partially ruined pavement and uneven surfaces. The robot does not trip over potholes and bumps and can also climb stairs. The humanoid can bend to pass through the narrow arches of the wall's watchtowers. Robot-Era believes that other robots cannot accomplish such a feat. In short, the Chinese continue to amaze the world with their innovations. A video from a Chinese humanoid robot factory has gone viral recently. The robots look incredibly lifelike, with some movements indistinguishable from those of humans. China has long been a world leader in everything related to technology, whether it be artificial intelligence, robotics, or virtual reality. Here is a video featuring the latest innovations from the renowned company EX Robots based in Liaoning. EX Robots has gained fame for creating robots that are indistinguishable from real people. Their silicone skin is almost indistinguishable from ours, and they can perform many roles in our society, including in medicine, service, and education. The viral video on the EX Robots channel shows beautiful female robots reading and mimicking the movements of the women interacting with them. It is reported that EX Robots already produces 2,000 such humanoids annually. The robots can also be controlled by users. They can use an application to change the robot's facial expressions or gloves to gesture with their hands. Additionally, the robot can express joy or sadness, stick out its tongue, or make sad eyes. There is no doubt that the coexistence of humans and robots is the future we should strive for. A humanoid robot startup, Robot-Era, has unveiled its new invention called X-Hand, which was designed for a variety of everyday and industrial tasks. In a recently released video, the company's XBot S robot demonstrates the capabilities of X-Hand as the robots perform tasks that highlight its fine motor skills and agility. The robot exercises its fingers, clenches and unclenches its hands, swings its arms, and even handles delicate objects like plush toys and a purring cat. It can be seen performing precise actions like trimming a withered leaf from a plant, manipulating robotic gears, inflating a balloon, and shooting plastic marbles. The robot is also shown to have a delicate touch by setting down an egg gently on a table. With 12 active degrees of freedom, the X-Hand was developed to set new standards in general-purpose robotics. Its built-in tactile sensors and advanced transmission structure enhance motion control precision and ensure smooth operation. The robot can handle heavy items, such as a 5-kilogram water bottle, making it versatile for various environments. Moreover, due to the highly intelligent, reliable, and versatile dextrous hands, it can also be deployed to a home setting to carry out household chores such as gardening and pet sitting, opening up new use cases for humanoid robotic machines. The crew of the International Space Station is not composed solely of humans. At an altitude of 400 kilometers above Earth, floating alongside the astronauts in this space laboratory, you will find Honey, Queen, and Bumble, NASA's flying robotic assistants known as Astrobees. They were delivered to the ISS at different times, starting in 2018. Honey and Bumble were the first to arrive in orbit, followed by Queen. These robots differ significantly from our typical humanoid conceptions. Each robot is a 30 centimeters wide cube, distinguishable by their colors. They assist the ISS crew with important but tedious tasks, such as inventory management, documenting experiments with built-in cameras, and transporting cargo across the station. As of 2023, NASA reported that the Astrobee robots had accumulated over 750 hours of operation on the ISS, successfully completed more than 100 tasks, and demonstrated capabilities previously considered science fiction. These include autonomously reporting and investigating simulated anomalies on board the station. The German Aerospace Center is developing a robot named Justin, which will be tasked with constructing habitats for Mars colonists. Recently, Justin has been endowed with artificial intelligence. When humanity is finally ready to move to Mars, it won't be capable of making the journey alone. Reliable experts with encyclopedic knowledge, capable of calmly working in extreme conditions, will be needed. In other words, robots like Justin. Justin can use tools, take photographs and upload them to the network, catch flying objects and navigate around obstacles. The robot weighs 199 kilograms and stands 192 centimeters tall. With the addition of artificial intelligence, Justin has learned to independently perform complex tasks that were not even programmed into him on development stage. Justin can work on the surface of Mars while astronauts monitor him from orbit. Justin is equipped with object recognition software and computer vision, enabling him to analyze his surroundings and perform tasks such as cleaning, inspecting, and maintaining equipment, as well as transporting items. At the recently concluded Japanese robot exhibition ICRA 2024, the updated version of the humanoid anime robot named Hatsuki made its debut. The character is claimed to be the result of a fusion of anime, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Standing 145 centimeters tall, the robot has become a temporary ambassador for the Japanese electronics and components manufacturing company, Sanyo Denki. Hatsuki is not a comic book character but a testbed for the Catoroid Project's technical club. Enthusiasts in robotics have used it to test, for example, the generation of humanoid robot movements using deep learning, human-robot interaction, AI research, and the operational testing of the virtual YouTuber system. The creators of Hatsuki ultimately aim to break the so-called fourth wall, allowing interaction with the character in reality. The robot is equipped with a motion capture system and can be controlled via the internet, or directly reproduce movements from anime. The developers have also implemented the ability to have dialogues with the robot, thanks to the ubiquitous GPT. Honda has unveiled a wheelchair called Uni-One, equipped with special technologies. This unique wheelchair offers a mixed reality experience not only to people with disabilities. The specialized wheelchair ensures user safety by preventing any tipping over thanks to its self-balancing technology. Users of the Uni-One can control the vehicle solely through body movements. However, Honda has integrated this wheelchair with a mixed reality headset. This integration allows users to play a game projected through the glasses while moving in the Uni-One. According to Honda, the Uni-One is designed for use both indoors and outdoors, making it suitable for large venues such as shopping malls and fairgrounds. If desired, Uni-One users can hover in the sky and play specially optimized racing games. Recently, the Grand RoboMech 2024 exhibition took place, showcasing the most advanced robots of recent years. We will definitely make a separate video about the exhibition, but for now, let's take a look at one of the most interesting exhibits. Here is a robot from the Japanese robotics company Jinky. This metallic humanoid robot with a head, torso, and 2 arms extends upward from a cabin resembling an excavator's cab. The robot is designed to perform maintenance work in various fields, such as repairing railway tracks or replacing and repairing road signs. It can replace a team of workers, thereby reducing the risk of serious industrial accidents. The robot can lift and move heavy objects like steel pipes, plates, or wires, and perform its tasks as well as a human because it is operated by a person. The Jinky humanoid robot essentially mimics the movements of a real person inside the heavy machinery cabin. The operator wears special glasses connected to the robot's eyes, allowing them to precisely control the robot's arm movements using technology developed by the company. Exoh is a Russian industrial exoskeleton designed to assist workers in lifting heavy loads and reducing physical strain. The exoskeleton is intended for use in manufacturing, construction, and other heavy industries. Key features of the Exoh include the ability to support working loads up to 60 kilograms with a lift module, a device weight of 23.5 kilograms, and suitability for operators weighing between 60 and 120 kilograms, and standing 1.6 to 1.9 meters tall. Exoh combines passive and active components, including a winch system with 200-watt power and 16.8-volt power supply. The exoskeleton distributes weight through a rigid frame, transferring it to the ground, which helps prevent injuries and reduce worker fatigue. This combination of passive support and active assistance is aimed at increasing productivity and safety in the workplace. Additional equipment can be used to protect the shoulders, mount heavy tools, and hold loads statically, reducing the load on the operator by up to 90%. In 2016, the Guggenheim Museum showcased an unusual piece of art created by artists Peng Yu and Sun Yan. The installation, titled "Can't Help Myself," featured a robotic arm from which red hydraulic fluid, essential for its operation, was continuously leaking. The artists aimed to illustrate the intricate relationship between humans and technology. The stainless steel robot, placed within a glass cube, was equipped with visual recognition sensors that detected when the hydraulic fluid spread across the floor. In response, the machine attempted to gather the red fluid back to itself. This process left smeared stains on the floor and splashes on the walls, resembling a crime scene more than an artwork. The machine could, in its spare moments from collecting hydraulic fluid, perform dances or bow to the audience. However, with each passing day, more and more red fluid leaked from the robot, reducing its ability to perform these entertaining movements. Eventually, all its efforts were dedicated to containing the hydraulic fluid. By 2019, the robot, covered in red fluid, ceased its futile operation, making it appear even more human-like to many viewers. Peter Lammer is a head chef at a restaurant in Germany. He was involved in a motorcycle accident, and after rehabilitation, doctors advised him to retire. Together with his friends, he came up with this effective mobile invention. Essentially, the elderly chef started cooking with the help of an exoskeleton. Just look at how he flies around the kitchen. This man certainly deserves respect for his determination, perseverance, and incredible strength of spirit. Despite serious health issues, he did not give up but continued to pursue his passion with extraordinary creativity. Share your thoughts in the comments about this remarkable chef. If anyone has made significant advancements in creating ultra-realistic robots, it's the Japanese. Here is Junko Chihira, a humanoid robot developed by the Japanese company Toshiba for customer service. This robot has attracted attention for its high degree of realism and its ability to reproduce human emotions and gestures. Junko Chihira can interact with people, provide information, and perform certain tasks. Its design and functions are intended to make interactions with technology more natural and pleasant for users. Junko Chihira speaks and welcomes shopping center visitors in English, Japanese, and Chinese, and can also communicate in sign language. Toshiba's speech synthesis technology is behind Junko Chihira's multilingual abilities, and developers aim to equip her with speech recognition technology. Once armed with speech recognition, the robot can respond to questions asked by tourists at Tokyo's waterfront. Employees of an Italian research laboratory are testing a new version of the humanoid robot Walkman, designed to assist in technological accidents, debris clearing, and firefighting. The Walkman robot was developed as part of a European Union-funded project. The robot is operated by a human operator wearing a sensor-equipped suit. The robot's head houses a 3D laser scanner, microphones, and video cameras, allowing the operator to see all of its movements and actions. The robot stands 1.85 meters tall and weighs 102 kilograms. Walkman operates for about 2 hours on a single battery charge. The robot's movements are powered by 32 motors and control boards. The firefighting robot can lift up to 10 kilograms with each arm. Testing has shown that the robot successfully opened a door to enter a room, located and closed a valve to stop a hypothetical gas leak, cleared debris blocking its path, and then found and extinguished a fire. Chinese robot startup AgileX has completed the perfect adaptation of Cobot Magic based on the mobile Aloha project source code. The hardware of Cobot Magic is a robot consisting of a mobile cart, 4 6-axis robot arms, 2 hands and 3 RGB plus depth cameras placed in the center of the cart, and a computer. The operator uses the 2 arms at the back to directly move the robot. In the teaching mode, AgileX Cobot Magic completes a series of precise actions such as grabbing screws and accurately positioning them, removing the bottom plate and taking out the battery. By learning of real production line tasks, Cobot Magic can collect richer data to continuously improve the performance of the invention. Cobot Magic is capable of remotely performing precise tasks, such as opening a bottle of water, dynamic tasks, such as watering plants and cooking meals, and contact-intensive tasks, to collect dynamic simulation information. The Chinese company Elephant Robotics has introduced its new robot Mercury X1. This advanced humanoid robot stands at 1.18 meters tall and features 19 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements and tasks. Mercury X1 is equipped with a wheeled mobile base powered by high-performance direct drive motors, providing stable movement in challenging conditions and offering up to 8 hours of autonomous operation, making it suitable for both personal and commercial use. This robot uses a high-performance main controller system powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Xavier, tasked with handling complex visual range algorithms, sensor fusion, localization and mapping, path planning and obstacle detection. Mercury X1 stands out with its highly efficient wheeled mobile base, which includes LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, and 2D imaging systems for enhanced navigation and obstacle avoidance. The robot can reach speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second and can overcome inclines of up to 15 degrees. Recently, the once-forgotten robot Seiko, also known as the robot from the movie Rocky IV, made a public appearance. Seiko was developed by International Robotics Inc. and first introduced to the public in the 1980s. At that time, the robot was a true technological breakthrough. Seiko was created by engineer Robert Dornick, the founder of International Robotics Inc., and was designed to serve as a companion and assistant. Seiko was developed to interact with people, including children and the elderly. He could perform various tasks such as carrying small items, playing music, and engaging in conversations. In the 1980s, Seiko also participated in numerous television shows and events, showcasing the capabilities of robotics of that era. Here's another truly extraordinary development. These incredible camera robots you see on the screen have gained fame for their high speed and precision. They are part of a broader line of robotic cameras developed by Mark Roberts' motion control Bolt Cinebot, including models such as Bolt X and Bolt Junior Plus. These robots are capable of capturing high-speed actions with exceptional accuracy, making them ideal for various applications, including sports. The Bolt X model is notable for its extended arm length of 3.2 meters and the ability to move vertically almost 5 meters. This allows it to capture a wide range of dynamic movements and complex shots that would be difficult to achieve manually. It can reach speeds of up to 9.7 meters per second and handle loads up to 20 kilograms, making it versatile for both studio and on-location shoots. In the context of tennis, these robots can be programmed to track and film the fast movements of players, providing unique angles and capturing high-speed actions. This enhances the viewer's experience and provides valuable information for player and coach analysis. In an era where the pursuit of sustainable and efficient transportation is more relevant than ever, the Spanish aerospace company Crisalian Mobility stands as a beacon of innovation with its electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft known as Integrity. This pioneering aircraft is designed for passenger and cargo transport in urban and intercity areas. Integrity is equipped with Crisalian's exclusive revolutionary fly-free technology, a unique stabilization system that ensures unparalleled efficiency, stability, reliability, and maneuverability. This technology, tested extensively both indoors since 2019 and outdoors since 2022 on a conceptual aircraft prototype, places Integrity at the forefront of aeromobility solutions. Integrity is well suited for short and medium-range tasks, offering a combination of superior safety and comfort. It can accommodate 5 passengers and a pilot, with a flight range of 130 kilometers and a cruising speed of 180 kilometers per hour. Additionally, the aircraft promises a serene and eco-friendly journey with low noise levels and zero emissions, embodying Chrysalian Mobility's commitment to transforming how we navigate the skies. Quavo, a humanoid robot developed by Chinese Leju Robot Technology Company and Haier, was exhibited at the recent 2024 Appliance and Electronics World Expo in Shanghai. The robot is meant for family services such as washing and drying clothes, watering plants, and arranging flowers. Quavo weighs about 45 kilograms and can walk in all directions with a maximum speed of 4.6 kilometers per hour. It can also jump to a height of 20 centimeters. According to the company, compared with its first version, which debuted in December 2023, Quavo's upper limbs have significantly improved operational performance. It completes its assigned tasks through object position recognition, terminal trajectory planning, and flexible object grasping. In terms of technical improvements, Quavo's arms have 28 degrees of freedom, and the ability to control whole body motion has been greatly improved. In the special exhibition called What is a Robot that can solve Rubik's Cubes was exhibited. If a visitor disturbs a Rubik's Cube and gives it to the robot, it will solve it in just under a minute. This robot attracts attention with its ability to solve the puzzle with high speed and precision. Developed using advanced technologies, it analyzes the initial state of the cube and automatically performs the sequence of movements necessary to solve it. First, it checks each face of the Rubik's Cube individually, then rotates the cube with a robotic arm. The action of rotating the cube itself is simple, but the fact that it can instantly find the shortest way to reach the solution is truly impressive. A European consortium with the participation of the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence developed technologies in the PROACT project that allow several robots to cooperate in the construction of these plants and perform complex tasks in preparation for space missions. Mantis is a multi-legged robot with 6 extremities. The system was developed as a platform for interdisciplinary research in the area of mobile manipulation with multi-legged robots. To fulfill a variety of different tasks, the robot is capable of operating in 2 different postures. In the manipulation posture, Mantis uses the 4 rear legs for locomotion and the 2 front legs for manipulation. Furthermore, in the locomotion posture, the robot walks on all 6 extremities, which is a big advantage in difficult terrain. This flexibility allows to solve complex scenarios with only one system. Several software components as well as planning methods can be evaluated within such scenarios. The Norwegian startup 1X has released a new video showcasing the progress of their humanoid robots Eve, developed with support from OpenAI. Although the Eve robots lack legs, they feature knee joints for squatting. The robots move around on a special 3-wheeled platform. Instead of hands, they have specialized claws for gripping and holding various objects, including small electronic devices like their own charging block. The developers at 1X explained that their robots are designed for warehouse work. They can move over flat surfaces and ramps, and are trained to perform tasks that do not require perfect precision. In the test video, the manufacturer demonstrated that Eve models can work independently or in groups. The robots can sort items into boxes, pick objects up from the floor, open doors, move between rooms, connect to charging stations, and after charging is complete, disconnect the power cable and place it in its designated place. 1X assured viewers that all actions performed by Eve in the video were done autonomously without operators' help. The video is shown at normal speed as it was recorded, without the use of computer graphics or post-recording edits. The ARX-7 is a humanoid robot developed by ARX Infinity. It represents an advanced model that combines both wheeled and legged platforms and it is equipped with a mechanical arm. The robot is designed to perform various tasks in the field of robotics and can be used for both research purposes and entertainment applications. The ARX7 stands out for its flexibility and maneuverability due to its wheeled base, which allows it to easily move across flat surfaces. The robot's mechanical arm is capable of executing precise and complex manipulations, making it useful for interacting with the environment and performing tasks that require high accuracy. ILY-AI is an innovative electric scooter model created by Japanese designer Mikiya Kobayashi in collaboration with automotive company Aisin Seiki and Karamoku, one of the leading wooden furniture manufacturers in Japan. The scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use and features an aluminum frame with a soft wooden body. All its components are concealed behind the front panel and within the front wheels. It is also safe for elderly users. The maximum speed is limited to 4 km per hour, which is roughly equivalent to walking speed. Additionally, it is equipped with a built-in safety sensor that stops the scooter in case of any obstacles. The name ILY-AI is derived from the first part of the acronym, which translates to Innovative Lifestyle for You, and the second part, which stands for Active and Intelligent. Currently, textile industries use specialist machines for clothing manufacture. They sew small sections of garments, weave fabrics, and cut material into the right shape. But until now, no machine was able to make a clothing item in its entirety. So, Seattle-based web developer Jonathan Zorno have created a sewing robot. The Sobo robot can sew together a complete item of clothing. It is also able to use a sewing machine and chemically stiffen pieces of material to create basic clothes, for example, t-shirts. This Sobo robot is designed to create higher quality material in cheap cost. Sobo consists of universal robotic arm, a traditional sewing machine, and the reusable thermoplastic solution. It has an ultrasonic welder that sews 2 panels of material together with a hard texture. It takes almost half an hour to sew a shirt. Actual sewing is only a couple of minutes, but there's a lot of measuring and adjusting going on in between steps. The Japanese company Roids Tech has unveiled its new 3-wheeled mobility platform called the Raptor. This unique vehicle is truly impressive. Its special feature lies in the car body being divided into 2 parts. The upper part, the design unit, and the lower part, the base block, which can be separated or combined. A 48-volt battery powers the device, allowing it to reach a cruising speed of 30 km per hour and maintain continuous operation for up to 40 kilometers. It is classified as a motor-assisted bicycle and requires a driver's license. Roids Tech believes that the Raptor will create new businesses and cultures, as well as bring fundamental changes and growth to the world of mobility infrastructure. The German kitchen robotics startup Good Bites recently showcased its new kitchen robot at the Internorga exhibition in its hometown of Hamburg. The Good Bits food robot is a modular system that can be adapted for various types of products and menus. The robot is centered around an internal chamber where a pair of robotic manipulators maneuver, gathering ingredients, cooking them, and placing into bowls. Upon receiving an order, the robotic manipulator places a pot under the ingredient dispensing station, collects the ingredients, dispenses sauces, and then places the pots on a rotating shelf for cooking. When the food is ready, the robotic manipulator picks up the pot and transfers the cooked food into a bowl. From there, a separate robotic arm moves the bowl to the dispensing station, which adds vegetables and other items to complete the dish, and then places the bowl on a conveyor belt for pickup and serving. Sensors in the culinary robot determine the amount of ingredients and adjust the cooking time based on the recipe. The system is equipped with a control module featuring a touchscreen that allows for customization. Meet Olivia, a social robot created at the A-Star Social Robotics Laboratory in Singapore. The robot can be used as a receptionist to greet visitors and provide information, as well as a personal assistant and companion in people's homes. Olivia's head has a pair of stereoscopic camera eyes, and it can rotate and also tilt up or down. A third camera on the robot's forehead can zoom in on the speaker's face. Olivia uses software to detect lip movements and determine if a person is speaking to her right now. It uses 8 microphones to locate the source of human speech and turn its face in the direction of the speaker. So far, Olivia can respond to specific keywords and phrases, such as switch off the lights or introduce yourself. But the Exoh researchers, as other robotics groups, want the robot to respond to natural speech. They also plan to program Olivia to display sadness, happiness, and other behaviors to improve communication. The robot is 1.6 meters tall and weighs in at 152 kilograms, and is also powered by an onboard Core i7 processor. The researchers plan to mount Olivia on a mobile base and upgrade it with new arms with 3-finger hands so it can grasp objects. The XBot S, also known as Starbot, is a humanoid robot developed by the Chinese company Robot Era. Standing at 1.2 meters tall, the XBot S showcases advanced robotics and AI technology designed for versatile applications. It features sophisticated sensors, navigation systems, and reinforcement learning algorithms that enable it to perform complex tasks autonomously. These tasks range from reconnaissance and tactical missions to operations in hazardous environments, including urban areas, mountainous regions, and underground caves. The robot's capabilities are enhanced by high-frequency control policies and robust navigation, allowing it to adapt to both flat and uneven terrains. Impressively, the XBot S can conquer snowy terrains, staircases, and handle disturbances by employing reinforcement learning, making it exceptionally versatile and reliable in various challenging conditions. Additionally, the XBot S uses advanced sim-to-real transfer techniques, ensuring seamless performance in real-world scenarios. This innovative robot represents a significant step forward in robotics, with potential applications in medicine, security, and industrial automation. The French company Zapata is developing a personal vertical takeoff and landing aircraft called the Air Scooter. This 115-kilogram vehicle, designed for one person, will be equipped with 12 propellers and a hybrid power system. The Air Scooter will be capable of lifting up to 120 kilograms, reaching a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and flying for over 2 hours. The exterior of the single-seat Air Scooter resembles an egg on 3 supports, with a frame on top consisting of 8 arms that house 12 rotors. Another advantage is the Air Scooter's weight, which is only 115 kilograms. In the United States, for example, this means the Air Scooter qualifies as an ultralight aircraft, which does not require a pilot's license to operate. The company claims that operating the Air Scooter will be as simple as piloting a drone, due to automation and numerous safety sensors. Currently, there is no information about the cost of the vehicle or the date of its release. A research group from Northeastern University has introduced a new approach that enables snake-like robots to simultaneously move and manipulate objects. This approach was initially implemented on Cobra, a robotic platform developed by students. The Cobra robot has a built-in gripping mechanism in its head, designed to assist the robot in a specific mode of movement, tumbling. While the robot tumbles, its head and tail latch together, forming a structure that resembles a wheel, allowing it to passively roll down slopes at high speeds. The scientists modified the robot's gripper to attach to a box, lift it, and move it to another location. This capability allows the robot to deftly manipulate objects and navigate confined spaces, inclined surfaces, or areas where standard robots cannot operate. The researchers plan to equip Cobra with a set of sensors, including a camera and an inertial measurement unit. These additions will make the robot able to perform more autonomous navigation tasks using lateral undulating movements. The camera will allow the robot to identify, lift, and transport boxes to different locations. A super-precise robot from Sony has successfully performed surgery on a corn kernel. Sony's microsurgery robot is the first assistant of its kind that automatically switches between different instruments. It has been successfully tested in animal surgeries. Sony also demonstrated its capabilities by performing surgery on a corn kernel. The robot was developed to assist surgeons in super microsurgery, particularly in suturing blood vessels and nerves with diameters less than 1 millimeter. Currently, the robot is in prototype form and features a low-latency remote control device. Using this device, a surgeon operates a pair of sensitive, pen-like controllers and observes the procedure through a tiny stereoscopic system with 4K resolution 3D cameras. The data is transmitted to OLED screens. Powerloader is a Japanese robotic exoskeleton that increases human capabilities many times over. The exoskeleton is being developed by ActiveLink, which in turn is a subsidiary of Panasonic Corporation. The ultimate goal of this project is to develop a fully functional robot, which will remove the limitations associated with the relatively small strength and capabilities of the human body. And such a robot can be used in a wide variety of fields, from participation in elimination of the consequences of natural disasters, catastrophes, and ending with heavy work on construction sites. The Powerloader exoskeleton uses force sensors to measure the force applied by the human operator to the robot's controls and amplifies it many times over with its servo motors. This provides the human body with truly inhuman capabilities, while surrounding the human with robot parts and components encloses the human operator and provides a safe work environment. The first version of the Powerloader robot you see on the screens serves as a test platform for the power management and control technologies being developed by ActiveLink and Japan Atomic Power Company. And even this prototype can already effortlessly hold a 30-kilogram load in each of its arms. ETH Zurich has unveiled an updated version of the robot W1, capable of standing, walking, rolling on its hind legs, and even overcoming obstacles for off-road driving. For specific tasks, it can move in a manner similar to a human. The robot pushes off the ground with its front legs and transitions from a quadrupedal to a bipedal position in less than a second. During this transition, its height increases from 55 to 152 centimeters. The W1 robot can accelerate to 36 kilometers per hour. While balancing on its rear wheels, the robot can move forward and backward, sharply change direction by 90 degrees, and spin in place at a speed of 60 turns per minute. Even when colliding with obstacles, W1 maintains its balance. In a video published by the company, the robot is shown maneuvering between shelves in a room, bumping into one but maintaining its balance and not falling. Additionally, W1 can use its hind legs for walking. Among other capabilities, W1 can spin in place for 360 degrees, carefully navigate between obstacles, and independently regain its balance after unsuccessful collisions without falling. In the future, it could be used for work in warehouse facilities. The innovative startup Kino Robotics has unveiled a unique 3D printed two-wheeled jumping robot. Designed by a team of engineers and designers, this robot showcases the integration of advanced 3D printing and robotics technologies. The primary goal of the development was to create a compact and lightweight robot capable of efficiently navigating complex surfaces and overcoming various obstacles. The robot is equipped with two wheels for excellent maneuverability and stability, as well as a special mechanism that allows it to jump and overcome high obstacles. It features numerous sensors, including gyroscopes, accelerometers, and cameras, which provide spatial orientation and enable complex maneuvers. This robot is used in research projects, educational purposes, and demonstrations of modern technologies in robotics and 3D printing.